Hello guys, my name is Abhimanyu and you are watching Live Web Tech. So today I'm going to show you how to use MVC with AngularJS in C# or .NET. So let's directly jump to the Visual Studio and select a new project. As you can see, and select Web under C#, Visual C#. I have selected ASP.NET Web Applications and give some valid name. In my case, I'm giving, let's say, MVC with AngularJS. And after typing, hit OK. As you can see, I'm creating a website on MVC based. So I have selected MVC and press OK or hit enter. As you can see, the project is getting created. So let's wait for the moment. As you can see, the jQuery is already getting added in our project as a part of MVC template. The first thing which pop up, that is that template page, the readme file. So let's skip that and close this setting. Please wait while creating the project. Just close this option and jump to our Solution Explorer, where you can see the predefined folders which is provided by the .NET Visual Studio. The first thing which we have to do is the first thing which is required to run AngularJS is the directory of AngularJS. For that, you need to go on angularjs.org. As you can see, the pop-up has opened and you can select any version like uncompressed or minified version. In my case, I'm using uncompressed. Hit download. As I have already downloaded this document, I'm going to use that one. Under script file, and here's the AngularJS file which I'm going to include in our project. Let's paste here, and it has been included in our file in under script folder. And second thing we have to do is just open app_start folder, where you will find bundle config. In that, we have to make entry of AngularJS in order to use that. As you can see, there are already lots of script there. We will include one another for our AngularJS. Just copy that line and paste in that. Just copy the whole line and paste. Change the name from Bootstrap to Angular. Here is the main name and the here second line is script name. And the third step is to go on view and layout page. The layout page is the page which applies to all pages. So let's register our bundle script over here. Just copy one line and paste. Just rename the name. The name which we have given in our bundle config file, that is Angular. That's our third step. And mention the ng tag, ng app tag in body section, because we want to use on all our pages, so we need to include in this body section. And let's create the controller of AngularJS, where we can write functions and give some commands. Let's name it as a home.js. As you can see, there is some syntax to write for running the AngularJS. Let's create an app where app equal to angular.module, and the common name which we have given, that is my app, on our layout page. And second thing, the second line, which is asp.controller, and specify the name of a controller. In my case, my controller name is home controller. I'm gonna use on my HTML page. And let's make a one function. And include a scope, that is $scope, which will be interacting to our HTML page and our JS file. And with a semicolon. Let's write some output. Right, declare a variable, that is $scope dot message. Let's say output, and assign some value like hi there, or let's say hi live web tech. As I selected the predefined template, I have already got the home controller. So let's jump to our home controller, which is under controller folder, and go to our home view. Go to home view. Let's run and see what we get an output. As you can see, there are predefined template, the ASP template, so we don't need that. So let's clear the all crap. Clear all the crap from starting to end. And let's give a meaningful name like index. Let's create our own div, and here we specify the controller, which controller we want to use. Like in my case, we have created a home controller, home.js, so we will mention that controller over here, ng controller. The name is home controller. So let's copy that and paste over here. And close this div tag. Suppose we want to print our output to our HTML page. So let's copy the output variable and use double braces. Double braces is the syntax of AngularJS. Let's paste the output. And the one thing which I forgot to mention, we need to register our script also. So let's go under script folder and drag and drop to our layout page. And that's it, we are ready to run the program. So let's refresh the page. As expected, we have got the output, that is hi web tag. Here's the output. I would like to suggest one thing, like if you are creating multiples of controller, it is useful to create a script, a new folder under script folder, that is controller, and move all this our script file which we have created to access the HTML page into our controller file, and change the script directories in our layout. As you can see, I have replaced the old one with a new directory. So that's it, and let's check after refreshing. As expected, we have got the output, that is hi live web tag. Hope you guys like it, and please like, share, and if you're new, you can subscribe my channel. It will encourage me to make another video on another topic like C++, C#, or any technical language or any programming language.